Is it the beat up movie? It's a beat up movie.
I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Do you want any?
No, I don't think I do. Thanks. It's a beat up movie. Oh, pinned. Pinned. Gooby, he's down. He's down, Goob. You won. Let him up. Let him up. Goobers. Goobers. No, not happening. Not happening. Looks like a little black bear. Yes, you do. Oh, really? What does that mean? What does that mean?
Victoria advances the training by taking Rex for a walk.
Now, if he starts to react in any way, I want you just to turn in the other direction. This is okay walking. This is important. Let's go.
Giant-sized dog.
React like that.
Giant-sized puppy.
And take it back.
You guys are in trouble now. You're in trouble now.
The other way.
We're gonna have some growling?
Let's go. And then just take
No?
it.
Okay.
Well, if he's pulling you, turn around.
Okay.
Let's go.